This new construction Sierra home will be available for June/July delivery. The floor plan features 2 bedrooms plus den/optional 3rd bedroom, great room, screened covered patio with pool, 2-car garage as well as impact glass throughout the whole house. Seize the opportunity to make this home your own from the start. The Sierra floor plan is just right for your family to enjoy the Florida lifestyle you've always dreamed of. The 45,000 square feet clubhouse in Valencia Bonita's 55-plus community is absolutely breathtaking, sophisticated and a wonderful place to socialize, relax and enjoy the amenities being offered. The cooking studio with its test kitchen has everything a hobby cook wants to experience, and the events such as galas and Broadway theater-type shows are available for everyone to experience. The full-time on-site lifestyle staff has you covered for whatever your interest may be.